Here's how you can fix Bluetooth device not working in Windows 11. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh the Bluetooth connection and might fix the issue right away. Sometimes, outdated or corrupted Bluetooth drivers can also cause issues. Let's update or reinstall them. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager from the list. Expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click on your Bluetooth device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find the latest driver for you. If updating doesn't work, you can also try uninstalling the driver. Right-click on the Bluetooth adapter again, select Uninstall Device, and then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver when it boots up. This step often resolves most Bluetooth-related problems. Windows 11 also has a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically detect and fix Bluetooth issues. Here's how to use it. Open Settings and go to System. Then click on the Troubleshoot button and then Other Troubleshooters. Scroll and find Bluetooth and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions to let Windows diagnose and fix the problem. This is a quick and easy way to let Windows handle the troubleshooting for you. Sometimes Bluetooth issues are caused by bugs in Windows itself. Making sure your system is up to date can often fix these problems. Here's how to check for updates. Open Settings and go to Windows Update from the list. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Restart your PC after the updates are installed. Keeping your system updated ensures you have the latest fixes and improvements. If none of the above steps work, try resetting your Bluetooth device. Go to Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices from the list. Find your problematic device, click the three dots next to it, and select Remove Device. Put your Bluetooth device back into pairing mode and reconnect it to your PC using these options. This can often resolve connection issues caused by corrupted pairing data. Hopefully one of the methods in this video has solved your problem.